From my 2-plate gifted, I today am creating medicine for my neighbor who is not well. I had to, it was a bit emotional when I saw her, as I can feel everything. So, healing with art of cooking. Cooking is medicine, and presenting medicine to people of who are more religious. One has to be. It's not being cautious. It's being loving to present the gifts from God and the gods in a manner where it is most needed and helpful, especially at this time. So this is the nargis with appeals. It's a bread food, so it will nourish. It's got cinnamon and turmeric and a whole lot of love. So specifically, of course, it's channeled through. So somebody requested it from Spiritwolrd for her. And then here is the pea soup, pea with butter beans and noodles. Because I think when she was a kid, she used to love to. So I'm just finishing off, and I'm gonna pick up with him a letter from God, from the gods, from ancestors, from myself to her, and it gets delivered in the ribbon. It varies from client to client. Some clients need beads, some clients need just the color or the texture, the softness. And for her, there's colors we requested. Twa, of course.